Okay, so we're going to be taking notes in your math journal on division of decimals. And this one's going to be pretty simple because the hardest part of dividing decimals is just the actual division itself, which you've already conquered. So let's take some notes on using the decimal. And again, it's really simple. Okay, so division of decimals. And here are the two rules. If a decimal is in the house, you raise it to the roof. So in this example, we have 4 divided into 6 and 4/10. There's not a decimal over here in the divisor. So if it's underneath the house, you just simply raise it to the roof and you don't move it again. It stays there. So now you just do your regular division. How many times will 4 go into 6? And that's 1 time, so 4 minus 6 is 2. Bring down your 4, and 4 will go into 24 6 times with a remainder of 0. And if you notice, that decimal doesn't move. You just work around the decimal. Make sure you're using your top and bottom charts to help you out with division or the rounding method we learned. Okay, so here's another instance. If the decimal is on the side, right, like it is right here in this divisor, we have 1 and 2/10 divided into 3 and 6/10. Well, if there's a decimal on the side, then you let it slide. What that means is you slide this decimal over one place, and what you're trying to do is make a whole number of this divisor. So this one just has one place that we have to slide it, and if we slide it one place in the divisor, we slide it one place in the dividend. Math is all about balance. So if we're just moving it one place here, we move it one place here, and then it goes straight up to the roof, okay? So, and if it has 2 places over here, and you have to move it twice in the divisor, you move it twice in the dividend, and then it just simply goes straight up, and then you just divide. Here's another example, just in case you have a decimal in the divisor, and you move it over and you're dividing into a whole number, 523. Remember, the decimal in a whole number is right here behind the ones position. So if this is the case, you simply add that imaginary 0 and slide that decimal over once, just like you did in the divisor, okay? And then it goes straight up to the roof. You just raise it to the roof. So that's easy, isn't it, guys? You've already done the hardest part of decimal division, and that's dividing itself. If you use the methods of the top and bottom or estimating, decimal division is very easy. Remember, if it's in the house, you raise the roof. If it's on the side, then you let it slide. Thank you, guys. Make sure to take nice, neat notes.